Hey everybody, what's up? On this next episode of Good Tech Cheap, I'll be checking out, unboxing, and putting through the paces of a really cool thing that's going to keep all of you really cool out there. It's the Goveelife Tower Fan, and we're going to check it out right now. What's up and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor if you can, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop another episode of Good Tech Cheap. Today we got something super cool. It's the Goveelife Tower Fan. There's an app for that with lots of custom settings. Plus, I'm going to talk about some other really cool Govee products that are going to help you breathe clean, cool air all year long and actually know how cool and clean your air actually is. You're going to know a lot. But hey, let's start with the unboxing, shall we? The Goveelife 42-inch Smart Tower Fan Pro with Wi-Fi, aromatherapy diffuser, and temperature sensor. It's an oscillating fan with 8 speeds, 4 modes, a 24-hour timer, and only 27 decibels, so it's quiet for your bedroom, your office, or anywhere you'd like to put it. Smart voice and app control. You can easily control the tower fan with voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. With the Home app, you'll be able to customize your schedule, adjust modes and speeds, and set a 24-hour timer for ultimate convenience. There's also an auto mode with sensor. The oscillating tower fan can automatically adjust speed based on actual ambient temperature because of a built-in sensor. Perfect for handling the way your room warms up in the late afternoon sun. Efficient customized cooling featuring 4 modes, normal, natural, sleep, and automatic, 8-speed, 25 foot per second wind speed, and 80-degree wide airflow coverage. This powerful bladeless tower fan makes it easy for you to stay cool during the sweltering summer or drift off into a breezy slumber. It's quiet and refreshing sleep that you'll experience with the innovative aromatherapy box. You can diffuse the scent of your favorite essential oil along with the wind for an even more relaxing experience. Enjoy a refreshing night's sleep with the quiet tower fan's sleep mode and low 27 decibel noise level. It's stylish and functional. The Wi-Fi tower fan has a modern, elegant look that can fit into any home decor environment. The floor fan has a handle that makes it easy to carry around in your bedroom, living room, or office. And the removable grill makes cleaning more accessible. So if you want to check out more about the Goveelife Tower Fan, there's a link in the description below. Please check that out. Also, in addition to that, there are a couple more links that I want to share with everyone out there. There's an air monitor, so you actually know the particulate level in your living space, your office, your vacation space. It is small, it is portable, it is well priced. You can take it wherever you go. Link in the description below. Please check that out too. And also from Goveelife, a filter that is going to get your air nice and clean. So there's your triple combo right there. The smart tower fan with its built-in app, the air monitor, and the air filter. Check them out, all in the links in the description below. Well, that just about wraps it up for this video today. I'd like to thank Goveelife for sending us the fan and sharing information about those other really 2 cool products, and also sponsoring this video. It was a pleasure to unbox and put the fan through its paces so all of you could see it out there. Once again, link in the description below. Down there. I've been your host Kevin. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Good Tech Cheap. Once again, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell if you so desire. You're going to know when we drop more awesome products on the next episode of Good Tech Cheap. From Los Angeles, California, stay safe, be kind. We'll see you next time. Bye.